This is the elevator here at the Dining Pavilion here at Woodfield Mall in Schaumburg, Illinois. We have a ThyssenKrupp Endura MRL to ride. Upper level. Let's look out the window. Here are two. Or upper level. Lower level. Show lantern there. Let's get a cab view now. It's a very nice elevator. This is actually the new elevator that was added on when the Dining Pavilion was built. It's your indicator, map BS buttons, 4,500 pound capacity. It's your COP. All right. It's all right. I'm gonna watch this go up. Let's watch it go up real quick. I'm gonna get you guys like the view of the equipment on this thing here. You can tell that this is Endura MRL. Alright. There it goes. And you can tell that this is Endura MRL because that's like the motor on there, as you can see. That box right there. Alright. That'll be it.